Okay, I'm going to make some mayonnaise or aioli, whatever you want to call it. Starting with that's about around a teaspoon of Dejion mustard. And I got a trick for the salt. I just get the stuff that's loose like that. And now a couple of good splashes of apple cider vinegar. Maybe a little more. And give it a whirl. Get it kind of I'll be right back with the oil. Okay, now just very gently and slowly add the oil. See that? Okay, if you look in the bowl here, I'll show it off. You can see how it's kind of coming together. Now we'll run a little bit more, kind of thicken it up. And I think it's done. Doesn't that look beautiful?
Action.
So look how beautiful that is.